Keeping your ride running smooth often starts with a healthy battery. Now, if you rock an Exide battery, you know they don't compromise with their quality. But what about the warranty? No one wants a dead battery surprise, especially when it is covered. I am Kumar Hemant, you are watching Candid.Technology, and in this video, we're going to explain how to check your Exide battery's warranty online. To know your Exide battery's warranty, you will have to first register it on their website. Head to exidecare.com/warranty registration/registration.aspx and you will see this page. Here, enter your battery's serial number. Now select the battery type. It can be either the vehicular battery or inverter battery. Then enter further details. For example, your name, your last name, enter the pin code of the area where you are, enter your battery's purchase date. When you have filled all the options, click on register and an OTP will send to your mobile number. Enter the OTP, tap on proceed, and as you can see, our battery is out of warranty. And here is how you can check your Exide battery's warranty easily. If you like this video, consider subscribing, press the bell icon, give us a thumbs up, and tell us in the comments what other videos you want us to make. To know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, and this is me, Hemant, signing off.